My name is Matt from Easy Test Pools, and today we are in our Derry, New Hampshire store location with April from Latham Pools. April, thanks for being here today.
And thank you for having me here today.
Latham offers around 6 to 8 models of these smaller fiberglass plunge pools from the 9x17 to 10x20 range. And then there's some more models like 11x20 and 12x26. This is far more available models than the tiled concrete plunge pools that are so popular right now. What can you tell us about these different pool models available?
So we have several lines available that offer the plunge pool style. We have the Enchantment line, which are all 9 feet wide, but come in 3 different lengths. We also have the Tuscan that can be 14 foot wide up to 16 foot wide. We also have our Providence. Same thing, it comes in a variety of widths and lengths.
So definitely it sounds like there's a pool model for just about every backyard. You know, whether you've got a large backyard and you're looking to integrate some other elements of outdoor living and you don't want to manage, a full body of water, or the opposite of that. You've got a specific dimension yard and you're looking to maximize the pool space. Well, my name is Matt again, and if you wanted to reach out to me or click the link in the description, my cell phone is 603-453-2845. Thanks, April.
Thank you.